Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalikon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now in today's session, we will be answering questions from the Jamb English 2013 past question. We will be answering question 76 to question 80. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now, for question 76 to 80, there is an instruction here. The instruction reads, in each of the questions 76 to 80, choose the option that best completes the gap or gaps as the case may be. Choose the option that best completes the gap or gaps as the case may be. Question 76. There are a lot of dash in the park. There are a lot of dash in the park. Option A. There are a lot of moving fast luxury buses in the park. Option B. There are a lot of fast-moving luxury buses in the park. Option C. There are a lot of luxury buses moving fast in the park. Option D. There are a lot of luxury buses fast-moving in the park. So which of these options is the best to complete the gap in this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option B. There are a lot of fast-moving luxury buses in the park. There are a lot of fast-moving luxury buses in the park. What do we have in the park? A lot of buses, right? So let's describe the kind of buses we have in the park. What kind of buses? We have what? There are a lot of luxury buses in the park. What kind of luxury buses? There are a lot of fast-moving luxury buses. So the noun buses have been modified by two different adjectives, luxury and fast-moving. There are a lot of fast-moving luxury buses in the park. Fast-moving and luxury are adjectives that are modifying the noun buses. So the answer is option B. There are a lot of fast-moving luxury buses in the park. Alright, moving on, question 77. Remember, we have to select the option that best completes the gap in this sentence. Question 77 reads, yours is to command, dash is to obey. Yours is to command, dash is to obey. Option A, there, with an apostrophe. Option B, there is, with an apostrophe S. Option C, there. Option D, theirs. So which of these options is the best to complete the gap in this sentence? Pay attention. The major difference here is the spellings and the apostrophes. Now, the answer to this question is option D, theirs. Yours is to command, theirs is to obey. Yours is to command, theirs is to obey. So you have to command, they are to obey. Yours is a possessive pronoun. Theirs is also a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns do not take the apostrophe S. Possessive pronouns do not take the apostrophe S. So options A, there, with an apostrophe is wrong. And option B, theirs, with an apostrophe S, is also wrong. So options A and B are wrong. Option C, there, is also wrong. You can't say yours is to command, there is to obey. No. There would have been correct if all we had was your own is to command, their own is to obey. But we don't have own here. So yours is to command, theirs is to obey. So the answer to this question is option D. Yours is to command, theirs is to obey. Alright, moving on, question 78. Remember, we are to select the option that best completes the gap in this sentence. Question 78 reads, the local governments are authorized to pass dash. The local governments are authorized to pass dash. A, to pass bylaws. Option B, to pass by laws. The by has an apostrophe here. Option C, to pass by's law. Apostrophe S. Option D, to pass by law. So which of these options is the best to complete the gap in this sentence? Which of these options is the appropriate to use in filling the gap in this sentence? The answer to this question is option A, bylaws. What are bylaws? A bylaw, sorry, the E is missing there. A bylaw is a rule or law established by an organization or community to regulate itself. So the local government are authorized to pass bylaws to regulate themselves. A bylaw is a rule or law established by an organization or community to regulate itself, as allowed or provided for by some higher authority. The higher authority in this sense is the federal government and the state government. Now, the higher authority, generally a legislature or some other government body, establishes the degree of control that the bylaws may exercise. So the legislature still has the power to check and balance the bylaws. In simpler terms, a bylaw is a regulation made by a local authority or corporation. Laws that they will use to regulate themselves that are different from what we have in the Constitution. So they are authorized to pass bylaws. The answer is option A, bylaws. Alright, moving on, question 79. Remember, we have selected the option that best completes the gap in this sentence. Question 79 reads, now there is a conversation between Umar and Aliyu. Now, this is Umar's sentence, Umar's dialogue. I have never visited the dentist. Now, Aliyu. So we have to provide Aliyu's response. Option A, neither myself. Option B, I myself haven't. Option D, neither have I. Option D, I also never. So which of these options is the most appropriate response for Aliyu? Now, this is a conversation between Umar and Aliyu, like we have earlier stated. Umar is informing Aliyu that he has never visited the dentist. Umar, I have never visited the dentist. That is Umar's dialogue. So Aliyu is to reply. Now, the answer to this question is neither have I. Umar says, I have never visited the dentist. Aliyu is replying, neither have I. Which means that Aliyu has also not visited the dentist. Neither have I. Neither have I visited the dentist. So the answer is option C. Umar says, I have never visited the dentist. Aliyu replies, neither have I, meaning I have also not visited the dentist. Alright, moving on, question 80. Remember, we have to select the option that best completes the gap in this sentence. Question 80 reads, Usman would have won the race dash. Usman would have won the race dash. A, only if he could run fast. If, not it. Only if he could run fast. B, if he had run faster. C, if he can run faster. D, although he ran faster. Which of these options is the best to complete the gap in this sentence? Usman would have run the race dash. Usman would have won the race means that the race was over and Usman did not win. But Usman would have won the race if, condition, if he had run faster. So Usman did not run faster, so he did not win the race. But he would have won the race if he had run faster. The answer to this question is option B. Usman would have won the race if he had run faster. He didn't run faster, so he did not win the race. Alright, and with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.